Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how to tie a extra large deco mesh bow that's perfect for a Christmas tree, bow topper, or a big wreath. For this bow, you're going to need one roll of the 10-inch deco mesh. First, you're going to want to let out a long tail, 4 or 5 feet. Then you're going to pinch it in your hand and make your first loop. Then you're going to slide your hand down your deco mesh and make another loop about the same size as your first loop. You're going to continue sliding your hand down your deco mesh, forming loops and keeping it pinched tightly in your left hand. Try to make sure that you're making your loops the same size each time. So just slide your hand down it and make a loop. Go the other side, make another loop on the other side the same size, and just keep going until you get the bow the size you want or until you're out of mesh. But just remember to leave enough for a tail on the other side too. Once you get the bow the size you want, then you're going to want to take a zip tie and wrap the zip tie nice and tight around the center of your bow. Now you can use floral wire if you would like, or a pipe cleaner, but when you're using deco mesh and you have this much material to hold, it's just easier for me to use a zip tie. So I've got the bow at the size I want. I didn't use the whole roll. Now I'm just cutting off the deco mesh. I left a long tail. Now the tails will curl up on you. Then I'm taking a zip tie and I'm wrapping it nice and tight around the center of the bow. Now if you're going to use this as a Christmas tree bow topper, then you're just going to take a piece of floral wire, thread it underneath the zip tie, and that way you can attach the bow to the top of your tree. And floral wire just comes in a little package like this, and I picked this up at Michael's, and it just says floral wire or stem wire, and you just thread it underneath that zip tie. Next, for the fun part, it's time to shape and fluff your bow. So you're going to want to open up each loop. So just take your hand and just kind of spread out the mesh. And this takes a little bit of time, and I am usually doing this on my table and not standing up. So I had to sit the bow down on the table to finish fluffing the loops. I have lots of bow tutorials on my YouTube channel, so if you don't want a deco mesh bow, if you're wanting something with wired ribbon, let me know and I can link a tutorial for you. Just be patient and take your time when you're shaping your bow, and just remember, when you're making it, try to make your loops the same size each time. And this is 10-inch deco mesh, and I just picked up this roll of deco mesh at Hobby Lobby. I do have a bow tutorial with the 21-inch deco mesh. It makes a huge, full, fluffy bow. So if you want to see that tutorial, let me know and I can link it for you. Once you have the bow shaped like you want, then you're ready to put it on your Christmas tree or your wreath or whatever craft project you're working on. I hope this bow tutorial helps you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel.